Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're going to be talking about number combinations to 10 on the number rack. For this activity, you need paper, something to write with, and your number rack. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it. If at any time I go too fast, you can slow the video down. If I go too slow, you can speed it up. And if you need to, you can even pause the video. Number combinations to 10. Did you know that you can represent number combinations to 10 with an equation? You can. The equation looks like this: blank plus blank equals 10. Let's take a look at how that works with our number rack. Look at the picture. How many beads do you see? Yeah, there's one bead. Go ahead and make that on your number rack. There it is, one bead, just like that. How many beads are hiding behind the card? If you see one, how many are there? Should we count them? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 beads hiding behind the card. We can create a make 10 fact that matches this picture. It will look like this: 1 plus 9 equals 10. Go ahead and write that down in your notebook. 1 plus 9 equals 10, just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and look at another number combination to 10. How many beads do you see this time? Make that number on your number rack. Do you see 5 beads? That's right, there are 5 beads showing. So if there are 5 beads showing, how many beads are hiding behind the card? Yes, there are 5 beads hiding. So our make 10 fact is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's write that one down too. We'll go ahead and keep writing down all of the equations on the pages. Okay, ready? Let's do another one. How many beads do you see now? There aren't any beads, are there? Do you know what number that is? Yeah, that's a 0. There are 0 beads. I just made it on my number rack. So if there are 0 beads, how many more beads do we need to make 10? Yes, we need 10 more beads to make 10. Let's go ahead and read that make 10 fact together. Ready? 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now, write that down. Okay, let's look at another one. How many beads do you see now? Make that on your number rack. Do you see 7 beads? Yes, that's right. There are 7 beads. And if there are 7 beads, how many more beads do we need to make 10? You got it, 3. How did you know that? Oh, that was so smart. You made it on your number rack. So cool. Let's read that make 10 equation now. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, now write that equation down. Great work. Now, how many beads do you see this time? Make that on your number rack. Do you see 8 beads? Yeah, I did too. Look at that. How many more beads do we need to make 10? Yes, that's right. 2. Okay, let's read that equation together. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now, write that down on your paper. You are doing super math work today. I love it. Okay, how many beads do we see now? Can you make it on your number rack? You do? You see 6 beads? I did too, 6. So if there are 6 beads, how many more beads do you need to make 10? How did you know that? That's right. There are 4 more beads that we need. So let's read that make 10 fact. Ready? 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now write that fact down on your paper. You are working so hard. This is so cool. Okay, how many beads do you see now? There's a lot of beads in this picture, huh? I know it. Did you make it on your number rack? Do you know how many there are? Yes, there are 9 beads. And if there are 9 beads, how many more beads do we need to make 10? Yes, 1 more. Let's read that together. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Great job. Write that down on your paper. Good. Okay, let's go on. How many beads do you see now? Yeah, that one's pretty easy, isn't it? There are 2 beads. And if you see 2 beads, how many beads are hiding behind the card? That's a lot of beads. You might need to count them. Yes, you got it. There are 8 beads hiding behind the card. Let's read that make 10 fact now. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Great job. Write that down and then let's do another one. Okay, how many beads do you see now? There are a whole lot of beads on this card. Oh, put it right there. Do you see 10 beads? I do too. If I have 10 beads, how many more beads do I need to make 10? You're right. I don't need any more. So that's 0. Let's read it. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Now write that equation down in your notebook. Okay, how many beads do you see this time? Yeah. Did you get it that quickly? 3 beads. There they are. 3 beads. I see 3. So if you see 3 beads, how can you find out how many beads are hiding behind the card? Yeah, you got it. Use your number rack. How many are hiding? Yes, that's right. 7. Let's read that equation together. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now write that equation down. You are doing super work today. Okay, here's another one. How many beads do you see now? You know already? Yes, that's right. There are 4 beads. And if there are 4 beads showing, how many beads are hiding behind the card? How many more beads do we need to make 10? Did you get it that quickly? You got it. That's right. 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. Go ahead and write that equation down now. Oh my goodness. You worked so hard today. Thanks for coming and learning about number combinations to 10 with me. I hope to see you again very soon.